Hi there. In this MDA Traffic Funnel review, I'm going to show you a tool that simplifies affiliate marketing and traffic generation, making it perfect for beginners. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kamal, an experienced affiliate marketer with over 5 years in the industry. I create these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you decide to grab MDA Traffic Funnel through my link below. Check the description for all the details. You don't want to miss them. So, what is MDA Traffic Funnel? MDA Traffic Funnel is a step-by-step system designed to help you drive traffic and earn commissions without technical skills. It's perfect for anyone who wants to get started with affiliate marketing and build a sustainable online income. Here's what stands out. Beginner-friendly. No tech skills required. Plug-and-play tools. Easy setup to start earning faster. Scalable system. Upgrade options to fit your goals and grow over time. Now, I'll be upfront. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a practical system that equips you with the tools and training you need, but you'll still need to put in consistent effort to see results.
Regardless of what you do or what you sell online, you know that you need traffic. In order to sell more either as a product vendor or as an affiliate, you need more traffic. But not just any traffic. What you need is targeted buyer traffic. You need people to view your products, your links, your offers that are interested and ready to purchase from you. And MDA Traffic is one of the ways in which we can do this. MDA Traffic is a 10-minute trick that we use to get Google to send us free targeted traffic to any offer or link we wish. And this is your key to do the same without any experience whatsoever. Now I want to be clear with you, what I'm going to show you on this page isn't going to make you rich, but if you follow the instructions and do what I show you, you will be able to get results, just like Rhonda did. But it gets better than that. You see, MDA traffic is very, very simple. It's something that we can all do. You can do this even if you're just starting out today. It doesn't require you to build pages. It doesn't require you to make videos. You don't need any experience. You don't need to do any SEO. And it will never cost you a cent. You can do this over and over again. There are multiple opportunities each and every day. It's free to do. This is free traffic. Now, of course, in order to get access to MDA traffic, you will have to pay $9, but that's it. You pay $9 and you get access to a system that you can continue to use. A system that you can implement in 10 to 15 minutes a day. Now, I'm sure I don't need to tell you how powerful having a Google Page One listing is or can be for your offer. I'm sure you already understand the kind of traffic that having a Page One listing can potentially drive to your offers and links. And obviously the commission or the sales that you could potentially achieve when you can do that. But I bet you didn't know how easy this is to do or achieve using other people's products and platforms for free. Well, with MDA Traffic, you're about to. You're about to get the inside story on how you and anyone can use this very simple little hack to drive traffic for free, so targeted traffic for free to any offer, any page, anywhere you like. It doesn't matter if you're a product vendor or an affiliate. You can use this system to send traffic to your offers, to your links, and you can do it all for free in a matter of minutes. Now we've broken everything down so you can see how and why the MDA traffic system works on this page. Now I know that many of you watching right now need more than just free traffic. Being able to send free traffic is amazing. It's great. We all need it. But if you can't get approved, if you don't have anything to promote, to make money from, then that free traffic is pointless. So with this offer, as well as the step-by-step instructions which show you how to get this free traffic, how to get Google listings, we'll also give you a product to sell. So this product, this offer is essentially 2 points. You get a product to sell, to make money from, to make commission from, and you also get the ability or the know-how to send traffic to that offer so you can make commission. And as I've already mentioned, at the time of making this video, as I'm speaking to you right now, this will cost you just $9. Now I want you to imagine what that $9 could turn into. How much commission could you make when you know how to do this? 10 to 15 minutes today could be driving free targeted traffic to any offer you like, any product, your affiliate offers, anything you like in 1 to 3 days time, even if you are a complete beginner. Now you can use this to sell your own products, or like I've mentioned throughout this video, you can use it to promote other people's products as an affiliate and make commission that way. And you can do the whole thing in literally minutes, even if you are a complete beginner. So if you are interested in a quick and simple way of potentially earning extra money online, either from your own digital products or other people's digital products as an affiliate, this is something that you want to check out. As I've mentioned, it's very, very simple. You don't need to create pages, you don't need to create videos, there's no SEO. This is something that everyone can do. It will take you 10 to 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes spent now will potentially start driving traffic from Google in 1 to 3 days. You can use that traffic for anything. You can sell your own products, you can sell other people's products as an affiliate. If you need or if you want a product to sell, we've included that as well. So this offer is two things. It's a product to sell, and it's the ability to drive traffic to that product so you can sell it and make commission. Check out the rest of this page now, take a look at the results, and then grab this today for just $9. Once you know how to do this, you can do it multiple times daily. And then once you do understand how easy this is, you'll want to do it multiple times a day. It really is that simple. And it's a perfect starting point, especially if you are a complete beginner. So please, go ahead, check out the rest of this page now, and do grab this for just $9 so you can start using it today.
Key features that caught my eye: commission magnet, order bump $27. This plug-and-play tool helps beginners sell effectively, saving you from trial and error. Video training expand, upgrade $1-$23. Over-the-shoulder training to guide you step-by-step through the system setup. Auto review builder, upgrade $2, $27. AI-generated content in seconds, complete with video instructions. Perfect for saving time. EPIS Plus, upgrade $3, $44. A fully automated affiliate system that works without complicated setups or an autoresponder. MDA Traffic Invite, upgrade $4, $12. A proven traffic platform to drive results fast. This is the same tool Lee used to turn $100 into $1,540.27 in 7 days. MDA Formula, upgrade 5, $497 or $97 a month. Comprehensive digital product marketing training, perfect for those serious about scaling their business. How it works. It's simple and beginner-friendly. Start with the main product and set up your funnel. Use tools like the Commission Magnet or Auto Review Builder to enhance your workflow. Scale up with upgrades like EPIS Plus or IMLA Formula as your business grows. No technical skills required. Just follow the training and you're good to go. What I like about MDA Traffic Funnel: it's affordable and accessible, even for beginners. The upgrades add real value and aren't just fluff. Tools like the Auto Review Builder and EPIS Plus save time and automate key processes. What could be improved? While it's a solid system, it's not a magic solution. Success will require effort, and advanced marketers might find it a bit basic without the higher tier upgrades. If you're looking for an affordable way to break into affiliate marketing or want a system to simplify your efforts, MDA Traffic Funnel is worth checking out. You can grab it using my link below, and don't forget about the exclusive bonuses I've put together. They're waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. Thanks for watching my MDA Traffic Funnel review. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more honest reviews and tips. See you in the next video.